Welcome back to my channel. This is JC, and yes, we are traveling again. And do you guys want to guess where I am at? Now, if you guessed Texas, you are absolutely correct. We are here at Hyatt Place, downtown Austin, and I'm going to give you guys a hotel tour. We will be doing 2 hotel tours in this video because we are also going to Hyatt Place, San Antonio Riverwalk. Let's go inside now, guys. And here is the lobby of the Hyatt Place, downtown Austin. There's plenty of seating area. Then they also have this little office area here where you could do some office work. And here is another lovely seating area here in the lobby. And look at this decor on their wall. It's like a couch that's stuck to the wall. It's so soft and artistic at the same time. Then here is another seating area and with lovely artwork. And look at that. That other one there kind of looks like Cynthia Erivo. Next, I'm going to show you their dining area. And it is huge. They could fit a lot of people here during breakfast time. And here is another section of the dining area. Wow, nice and spacious. And here is some more of their artwork. Keep Austin Weird. And here's more interesting artwork. That looked like a car with a plant growing on it. And here is a horse with a cowboy running like a shadow. Now here are some of the breakfast items that they serve here. They have bagel, bread, toast, some orange juice, milk, apple juice, cereal, some fruits, and some yogurt. You can make your own parfait. And here's some apple and oranges. Then they also have some potatoes, some ham, some bacon and eggs. They also have French toast sticks, sausages. They also have some oatmeal. And here is their fitness room. They have a lot of exercise equipment. And here I am doing a little bit of a workout on the treadmill, doing some running. And here is some more nice looking artwork inside the gym this time. This one is a map of Texas, and it's showing the Lone Star State and a cowboy. I like it. Now it's time to do some weightlifting. Come on, Charlene, you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's another artwork. Greetings from Austin, Texas, everyone. Now here are a picture of bats flying over the bridge there in Austin. Too bad we didn't get to see any during this trip. It's dark. So guys, we're in room 613. And I'm going to give you guys a room tour, but let me turn on the lights first. Oh, here it is. There's lights. Come on in, guys. So first, I'm going to show you guys the bathroom. Come on in. So guys, here's the sink, a nice large sink. And here I am. Hello everyone. Nice big mirror so I could do my makeup. Then here's the shower. You got your shampoo and body wash and nice big shower, some towels. And look guys, a nice big couch. And I nearly fell. and nice little work area. And here's another desk. More work area. And here is two queen size beds. Let's turn on the lights. And then here is a closet. Nice big closet space. Extra pillows, some hangers, and a safety box.
Iron.
Oh, and an ironing board and an iron. And guys, let's look at the view of downtown Austin. Maybe there's more of a view in the morning. We'll see you guys in the morning. Guys, here's my special guest, Rhoda. Hi, Rhoda.
Hello, everybody. We're here at Austin, Texas.
Hyatt Place.
Hyatt Place.
Howdy.
Howdy. Look at guys. Lights. Light. And there shall be light. And they have these drawers. Ooh, pretty cool. You can put your clothes here. And there's there's even a Holy Bible. And look at this, look at this. There's one more here. Nice. And ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Fridge. There you go. And they have some coffee here. Tea. Glasses. Mugs. And they have this coffee maker. And
Good morning, everyone. And here is the nice view of downtown Austin. And it looks like it's going to be a nice sunny day. Perfect weather to go walking around Austin, Texas. Okay, guys, we are now headed to San Antonio. Okay, guys, we are now here at the Hyatt Place San Antonio River Walk. Look, we can see the Tower of Americas from here. Now stay tuned for Rhoda's video because she will be taking us up there. We are now inside the lobby of the hotel, and this is one of their seating areas where you could relax and eat breakfast. Here's another sitting area. And now let me show you guys what they serve here for breakfast. There is some cranberry juice, some milk, orange juice, apple juice. Then they also have some bagels, some bread to have some toast. Then they also do serve some eggs, sausage, some pancakes. They also have cold cereal, coffee, oatmeal, fruits. From the lobby area, there is an entrance to the swimming pool. It looks like a very nice big pool, and here I am. I won't be having any time to swim because this is a short trip, but just wanted to show it to you guys. Now the fitness center is also near the lobby area. So here they have some weights, treadmill, and I believe there's also a bike right over there in the corner. And look at this artwork. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let me run with her. I'll pretend run with her. Now, if you go all the way back to the lobby, this is what you will see. Absolutely beautiful views. I am really amazed. Now, I'm going down the stairs, but there is also a ramp, so it is very handicap accessible. So the best part of this hotel is you have direct access to the San Antonio River Walk. And look at the beautiful view of these buildings really around here in the River Walk. This is so beautiful. And guys, if you count 3 stories up, that's where we're staying. I'll show you guys the room in a little bit. It is so beautiful. And guess what, guys? This hotel is only $300 something a night. And you could also fish here at the river walk. That is so cool. And all of this is part of the backyard of the Hyatt Place San Antonio River Walk. Such a beautiful place. I hope you guys are enjoying this hotel tour so far. And there's more for me to show you guys. And now of all the Hyatt Place hotels that I have stayed at, I think this is the most beautiful so far. You know, the good thing about this, if you don't feel like exercising at the gym, just like I didn't feel like exercising at the gym right now, all you have to do is come out here and walk. Walking is a great exercise. And it's so beautiful out here. Okay guys, I'm now gonna give you a room tour. Let's start with the living room. Yes, guys. Here is the beautiful couch. Nice and comfy. And this is Rhoda's bed. Right, Rhoda?
Yes.
You like the couch?
My favorite place to sleep in. Sleep on.
There's a light ahead. So I guess here's a nice mirror. And does it open? No, it's not. It does not open. And
What is it?
so it's a connecting room. So this is this
Oh, wow.
is perfect when you have family, a huge family.
Mm-hmm.
So when you have a huge family and you guys want to have connecting rooms, this is perfect. But right now it's just me and Rhoda, so no need for a connecting room. And there's a safe, there's icebox, some coffee. Oh, and there's light. And here's our mini refrigerator. Oh, and complimentary water by Aquafina. And then we got 2 queen-size beds. Lovely. Oh, another thing that I like about this one is that there's really a wall between the living room and the bedroom. So it's like there's a mini separation. Got a sink right here, nice big sink. then over here is a closet with iron board. Nice spacious closet. Then, right over here is the bathroom. Good sized bathroom. I like it. The most important part of all. Oh my goodness. We got a spectacular view here. This is the spectacular view of the San Antonio River Walk. Wow! This is magnificent. This balcony is really nice. I like the fact that you could sit down and relax and enjoy this magnificent view of the San Antonio River Walk. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.